Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a bootable recovery drive now. Plug an empty 8 GB USB and format it NTFS or FAT32. This prevents file errors during write. Once done, download the official Windows 11 ISO or run the media creation tool on a working PC and choose USB device. Make sure to select UEFI if your machine uses Secure Boot. If you prefer manual control, use Rufus to set partition scheme and file system. This ensures the installer can boot and recognize your target disk. You now boot the target PC from the USB. Enter BIOS or UEFI and set USB as first boot device. Disable Secure Boot briefly only if it blocks the drive. Once the installer loads, choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Start with Startup Repair to fix boot configuration automatically. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, and then dism with /online/cleanupimage/restore health to rebuild the component store. You reach the final decision, repair or reinstall. If Startup Repair and dism didn't fix the issue, choose Install Windows 11 from the USB and pick Keep My Files for an in-place reinstall or clean install if necessary. Make sure to re-enable Secure Boot after a successful install. If the PC still fails to boot, check the SSD/HDD health with Smart Tools and verify SATA/NVMe connections. If problems persist, consider reflashing UEFI firmware or replacing the drive as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.